first time for Charlotte and first time for me and Preston in Tokyo Disney.
Which Disney did you go to before?
I went to Hong Kong, so it's not like the big one.
I went to Disney World.
So it's 11:14. We left like 8:30. We stuck at the traffic and then went through the wrong exit. So we had to do all over again and pay more tolls, and it's annoying. But we got here and we're happy. Or happier.
We're doing our best to be
yeah, doing our best. We have really low expectation because we came with Charlotte and she can do basically nothing. We're just kind of come here and then have a fun, magical time, hopefully. We chose to drive to Disney because Charlotte can sleep in the car and we can go whenever we want if anything happened. We park at the 4th floor. We didn't get to choose where we park. They just assign you when you drive in and it's super organized. Have a magical day. There you go. You take the train. That's where you get off. It's so cute. It's so pretty. I have my tickets on the app. Yeah, Donald Duck. We actually didn't know it's a Donald Duck theme until we got there. We're not super big fan of Donald Duck. If you really care, I believe you can go on their website and check beforehand. Wow, it's American Street. So beautiful. Wow, castle. It's quite a bit people trying to go to the Jungle Cruise. We went on our first ride, Jungle Cruise. It's a little train that goes through all the places. You can see different scenes like Indian tribes, river with people kayaking, which secretly I don't understand why people do this because you're in Disney. Why would you do that? It's really fun for our little one to just see different things and point out things for her. But there are some parts that's like kind of dark and loud. She did fine, but some kids might find it scary. We walked toward the castle. Tokyo castles are really pretty, and the Cinderella castle. In there, you can see the arts and detail about Cinderella's story. Like this wall art is so beautiful. The second one we rode on is Castle Carousel. Note that infant cannot do this ride because they don't allow any kids to be on the lap. So wait until your baby can sit individually on their own, maybe around 4 to 6 months.
We can ride together on the outside.
Yeah. Hi, Shiny! You love horsey. Can buckle you up real quick? Dada's be with you, okay? Mama's next to you. 妈妈在旁边好吗？没事没事，宝贝，没事，没关系，宝贝，很好玩的。Hi, baby. 那什么？妈妈？ Each row of the horses have different kind of seat assignment. With small kid that you have to co-sit with, they recommend you to sit on the outside so you can pop buckle and buckle your kid in. It was a really fun ride. Charlotte had a good time. I think a little scary because go up and down, but eventually she loved it. The third ride we rode on is It's a Small World. I didn't know what to expect, just thought it's super cute, everything just like miniature and childlike. With this ride, you can put infant on lap. All ages are suitable for this one. Everything's indoor. You basically like cruise on this little boat to see children from all around the world with different culture, different language, singing and dancing. It's full of surprises, very fun for adults to find some cool details, and fun for kids to point out stuff too. We were starving by this point. We stopped by Pan Galactic Pizza Port.
It's just a folded up pizza. That's what I want.
Okay.
The ordering system is pretty easy. We ordered 2 chicken and tomato calzone with drinks and a little green dumplings just for fun to try. Food is ready pretty fast. The drink we got is sparkling drink with mango and lemon in it. The food packaging are very cute, but it's pretty small portion-wise. The food surprisingly tastes better than I expected, but again, you can't expect to fill out that much because it's more like a snack.
Get a picture.
The little green man dumplings is more like a mochi with 3 different fillings: custard, strawberry, and chocolate. I honestly think they're pretty good, so highly recommend it. We took a little family break in Toontown.
Hey, arigatou.
The popcorn stand there is chocolate flavor, which is very good. There's also a huge baby area that you can feed your kid, change diaper, and everything you need to do.
I got this pass. We're in Monster Inc. I don't know if Charlotte will like it, but we're gonna try and see. Wow, it's a new slogan. Yay!
This ride is super dark and loud. Charlotte didn't like it. She was like holding on us the whole time. So we had a lot of fun, but maybe not for the little ones. But she's qualified to go in because she can sit on her own. I went on this ride by myself. Preston was looking after Charlotte because she was too young for this one. It's toward to the end of our Disney day trip. We're just slowly heading out, saw some characters, enjoying the view in Disney, went into some gift shops. As we were approaching the gate out, there are so many characters out there.
Bye bye! And it's 5 o'clock. I'm going home.